Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make a double exposure in Photoshop. First thing to do is to open an image. Go to File, click Open, then choose Image, then click. After that, we need to select this image. Just go to Tools, select Pen Tool. Guys, if your background is plain, just click Quick Selection Tool. Okay, and now you need to select this image just like this. Okay, after we select this, just Ctrl J to copy this, then delete this background, then emit model, then go to adjustment, select solid color, then change the background to white, then move it down. After that, just go to File, select Open, then just open this another image. After that, just drag this here. Just drag this here, just like this. Then name this layer to bridge. Okay, wait, bridge. Then Ctrl T to transform, just like this. Okay. Then make the opacity to 50%. Show fine. Then right click, select flip horizontal. Okay. Then select, then enter. Back to 100%. Make the opacity to 100%. For that, go to model, hold Ctrl, then click this once. Then go to bridge, then click this icon, then go to background, then change the color just like this. Okay, then go to bridge again, change this to multiply, and then copy this bridge, Ctrl J, then delete this mask. And then make it darken. After that, hold Alt and then click this icon. Then go to brush tool. Okay, then reveal the bird. Okay. After that, go to solid color, choose yellow, so yellow, just like this. Then make it multiply. Then change the opacity to 25%. After that, go to adjustment again, gradient now. click this and then click this. change the black. Wait. Change the black color to red. Soap ay yung soap red. Like it. Then change this white to blue. Then press OK. After that, make it soap light. Okay? Then make it 50%. After that, just hold Ctrl Alt Shift and E, then go to image, select adjustments, go to desaturate, then make it soap light, then change this opacity to 50%. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.